Oh yes, it's Friday night and the feeling's right. Oh yes, it's Friday night. Oh, what a night. All right, you guys, I didn't say I could sing, but I can cook up something. I know we're all getting excited about Thanksgiving. We're preparing our Thanksgiving meals. But what about something for us to eat? I got home. I got a lot of baking to do. A lot of sweets. Woo! I'm about to sugar it out, but that's what I do. So I thought I'd come on real fast and do a naan bread pizza. Naan bread is an Indian bread, and this naan is called garlic. I want you to see the garlic naan Indian bread. So I'm going to do just a quick pizza. This is for me because I'm starving. And I don't want to see nothing sweet right about now. So what I'm about to do is I got a jar of marinara. We're going to just spread that on there. Now this is just something, quick for you to eat. So you can get back to your cooking, your chopping. Okay, I kind of like a lot of sauce. I know. It's like, wow. Okay, and here we have turkey pepperoni. Wow, it's pretty cool, huh? Let me show you. I'll cover up the name. See? Turkey pepperoni. So I'm going to put some of those on the naan bread. I mean, it's going to be quick because I just, want some a little salty, a little cheesy, and that tastes freaking delicious. And also, you're going to set your oven to 400 because we're going to try to get a toast, a little crunchiness on this naan bread. Okay. I know. It's more of a piece of bread, huh? I'm just loading it up with pepperoni. All right. That looks pretty darn tasty. All right, let me spread this out. All right, next, I am going to add some brie. Brie to me is like a buttery cheese, so I want a little brie with that saltiness because, believe it or not, the turkey pepperoni is not that salty. All right, just little dollops of the brie on there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, it's sticking. All right, you guys, I'm just so excited, about the holidays. And I said I wasn't going to do Black Friday, but yep, I am. There's some things I need to get. They have a Ninja blender I've been looking at that I really want to buy. And of course, I think we all want new TVs every year, Oh, I need another TV, which we have about 4 TVs, but yet every year we still want one. Okay, next I'm going to do a mixture of blended cheese. Let's just kind of put that on there. Check that out. I guess I could tell you guys, huh? I was going to do some red onions and all of that jazz, but I'm like, nope, I'm hungry. Give me pepperoni cheese and some naan bread, and I am good. All right. Okay, this is my Friday meal, and I'm home all alone. Oh, yeah! I guess that's the reason I'm being so silly, you guys. All right. So this was Mexican blended cheese. So it has sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, ASADERO, can't pronounce that, and queso blanca cheeses. All right. I'm going to stick my naan pizza in the oven, probably for about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. And I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. But the next video I do, you guys will see me. I like videos, where you can actually see the person and, kind of mingle with them. See their face expression. All right, let me put this piece in the oven. Hang tight. I'll be right back. Yep. That was a quick dinner for me, you guys. Here is the naan bread pizza with turkey pepperoni, Gruyere, and a blend of Mexican cheese. I am about to eat this, go watch some TV, and get up in the morning and start baking again. You guys, don't forget to eat. So try this quick recipe, sit down, take a break for a moment, then you can get back at it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Please share and subscribe. Have a good Friday and a productive Saturday. I'll see you guys again soon. Thank you.